I'm going to show you how to start dropshipping on Etsy, an untapped marketplace with millions of daily shoppers. I'll also show you my Etsy store and what's been working for me so that you can replicate the same strategies into your dropshipping business. By the end of this video, you'll have all of the resources, tools, and step-by-step knowledge to start your own dropshipping business on Etsy, even if you have no prior knowledge or any money to start. And why am I doing this? Because I'm from AutoDS, an automation company that helps automate dropshipping stores. And if I help you succeed in dropshipping, I'm hoping that you'll find the benefits of AutoDS to automate your business so that you can scale and reach higher profits. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned dropshipper looking for a new selling channel in its golden age, this is the video that you need for 2024 and beyond. And be sure to watch until the end of this video because I've prepared an Etsy Dropshipping 2024 cheat sheet for you, and I'm also going to share it with you more details further down this video. So let's go ahead and begin and learn how to start dropshipping on Etsy in 2024. So here's one of my Etsy dashboards, and I'm going to show you how to do all of this in this. Before we jump into that, why should we sell on Etsy in the first place? First of all, it's an untapped marketplace for dropshippers. We are now in the golden age of dropshipping on Etsy. Now, granted, Shopify has been around for years, but only in the past few years, Etsy had a huge surge in online shoppers, and the revenue simply started going crazy because more and more online shoppers are looking for the unique items that can be found on Etsy. The second reason is that we can all start with literally $0. It doesn't cost any money to register for an Etsy account, and we don't need any subscriptions to start making sales. But soon I will cover what expenses we do have on Etsy, as well as the rest of the steps, including product research, how to find winning products, what are some of the best products that are selling on Etsy right now, how we can actually create our stores, start making sales, and everything that comes along with it. The third reason to sell on Etsy is that it provides free organic traffic. And if we are selling something that people are looking to buy, then we are going to make that sale and rake in that profit. The fourth reason is that there are no selling limits. This means that we can list as many products as we want from day one, and nobody will tell us how many products we can actually sell on our stores. And the last reason is that it's simply easy to start and automate our business, all of which I will dive into in this video. Before we jump into product research, let's first understand what are we actually allowed to sell on Etsy. Since it's a unique marketplace with unique handmade products, what can we actually sell on Etsy and what products should we avoid selling? So Etsy is a marketplace focused primarily on handmade items, vintage and retro goods, and craft and party supplies, which doesn't have to be handmade. And the best categories to find and sell these products are jewelry, clothing, home decor, and arts and crafts, as well as party supplies. Now, I'm going to dive into all of this much more soon, but just keep this in mind before we start. Now, later down in the product research phase, I'm also going to talk about the products that we should not be selling on Etsy so that we can enjoy selling and profiting on Etsy in the long term.